Rudy here, fellow silver investors. Before we get into the charts, will this be happening tonight? I bet he's thinking about other women. I really need to buy some more silver stocks. Okay, well, look at that, hey? It's live monthly chart, getting very close to that $50, hey? Go to a weekly. Very nice. Go to a daily. Very nice. Hey, where's the bullion bank boys now? Covering their shorts, are they? Okay, alright, let's get into it. So the silver gold ratio. So silver still outperforming gold. Silver in Aussie dollars, or our ATP mag, going up. How's that ETP mag going against VAS? Outperforming VAS. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, so some of the stocks. So we got so this is Dundee, which bought Adriatic. So they're gold, but probably now 30% silver. So it's probably the only mature sort of silver gold company we've got on the ASX. It had a bit of an indecision candle last week, but more than likely indecision will go up. So you can buy that on the ASX now, DPM. If you want to work out the proper price, it's take the Canadian price and times by the exchange rate, which is about 1.1. Okay, so on to our boys, old Manuka, hey? No one knew about him back here. He's currently producing gold, not huge amounts, enough to fund their silver. They start production next year. So, yep, they were buys down here. Lead. So lead hasn't woken up yet. Zinc. Still consolidating, that's fine. Why are we looking at that? Because of poly. So poly up and away. Look at that. Because they're a silver. So it's a silver, lead, zinc, 30% silver. So that looks fine. Andean. That was my preferred one. Looks beautiful. BHM, so this is the Broken Hill mines. The one here, an existing mine. So that was a buy back here. That's still a buy. Boab. So it's broken through that resistance level like a knife through butter. So they're in looking good. It's about all you can say. Hopefully a lot of people have been listening to me, watching, and have got onto some of these. MMA. So they're looking fine. They're just this resistance level here. That'll probably keep going. SVL. So we put them as a buy back here. They got legs. Had some good volume last week. So they must be getting their environmental approvals through. All the charts saying that. Alright, Mr. West Coast. I reckon we might haven't had a buy signal on him yet. I reckon he's at the bottom of this declining channel here. So I reckon now's the time to go. Luz, I haven't had a buy signal on this. They're the guys that have got technology to pull silver from the solar panels. Okay, some explorers. So the Swedish explorer. So he's setting up to break through that, I would say. Just been consolidating. Ardent. Yeah, that was the buy. Break of the little wedge here. Squeezy squeeze. They get that next to the Nuance mine. ILT. They got the silver indium kicker project. So they're now above resistance. So this will become support here. Investigator. And this, I like this one. I saw the interview. The guy who's running it's done mines before. He's not a geologist, so it's gonna rip when it breaks through that. Mithril, silver and gold. Very low volumes here. Probably people don't know about it. They got an interest in the gold silver project in Mexico. Not a bad time to buy it now before it goes. Rapid critical minerals. This is the one with the chart all over the place. They call it the Conrad Webb's silver project in New South Wales. I reckon you give that one a go now. It's sort of officially got some sort of a chart pattern. So we've got a higher low here. So no reason not to jump into that now. Sun Silver. Oh, it just wants to go, doesn't it? So the guy's dual listed. Dual listing doesn't mean they dilute shares. There's no shares issued. They just the director or institution hands over some of their shares for people to trade. But that'll go. It'll go. Okay, Unico. Okay, always that rounded bottom. You've always got to have faith in a rounded bottom. Very powerful. And you had that consolidation, bang. Alright, so good one. Okay, so how's my girlfriend going? Siljay. So Siljay hasn't even started to party yet. She's ready to go. Look at that. There's the highs there from February 13. She's willing. She's ready to rock and roll. Siljay over the silver price. So I expect Siljay to outperform the silver price. So if the silver price goes up, Siljay should go up faster. Siljay over GDXJ. Yeah, that's the type of action. Siljay will outperform GDXJ. Siljay over MVR, the king. Well, the king's got nothing on the Siljay. He's too slow. Siljay's my ultimate ninja. Siljay over Bitcoin. It's even taken Bitcoin. Alright, so the stocks under Siljay, so we've got Kua going up. So just taking out highs. First Majestic. Hasn't even taken out the highs. Look at that. These things are just gonna rip. They're all big silver produced, like they're full on. Like this guy here, 16 million ounces of silver and 200,000 ounces of gold. Heckler, Endeavour. It's probably the cheapest cheapest producer we have. There we go. So look at that. There's the all-time highs there. So these are all the babies sitting in, all the girls sitting in Siljay. And then we've got the royalty company, OR, Fortuna. It's looking good. So if you've got Siljay, there's some This Pan America is another big. You can see there 30 million ounces of silver. It was too big a producer to sit in SilJ. So if you've got SilJ, I'd recommend that one. It's a pretty solid one. Then if you're after a bit of extra special ninja territory, there's the Bear Creek Mining, about to rip there, and MTA, which is a gold silver royalty company. Alright, sweet dreams, fellow silver investors. See ya.